Hi, I am Helen, a digital business owner and a full-time employee here in Spain.
Guys, I am Mary Chris Trujillo and I'm presently living in New Mexico, USA. I'm a teacher and a digital business owner.
Hi, I'm Laina. I'm a digital entrepreneur and I am from Santo Tomas, Batangas, Philippines, and now I'm living here in Italy.
My name is Garly. I am a digital entrepreneur from Iloilo City, Philippines, and now living here in Norway.
Hi, I'm Angie, a digital entrepreneur from Negros, Philippines, living here in Germany.
Hi, I'm Lani, a digital entrepreneur from Isabela, Philippines, living here in Greece.
Hello everyone, I'm Cheng. I'm a digital entrepreneur originally from Pantukan, Davao, Philippines and living in Germany.